Want to start earning online but don't know where to begin? You're in the right place. In this video, I'll share 5 beginner-friendly skills that can help you earn $500 to $5,000 a month. No experience needed. Whether you're a creative, a problem solver, or a tech enthusiast, there's something here for you. Let's dive in. First up is data visualization. Businesses rely on data to make decisions, but raw numbers can be hard to understand. As a data visualization expert, you'll turn complex data into easy-to-read charts, graphs, and infographics. Start by learning tools like Tableau or Microsoft Power BI. Many companies pay $30 to $150 per hour for data visualization services, depending on the complexity of the project. To stand out, focus on storytelling and design principles. You can find clients on platforms like Upwork or by reaching out to businesses directly. With practice, this skill can open doors to high-paying opportunities in the tech and business world. Next is Facebook and Instagram ads. Businesses are always looking for experts to help them run effective ad campaigns. If you enjoy analytics and strategy, this skill is perfect for you. Start by learning the basics of Facebook Ads Manager and how to create targeted campaigns. Many businesses pay $50 to $200 per hour for ad management services. To get started, offer your services to small businesses or freelancers. You can also find work on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. With consistent results, this skill can turn into a high-paying niche. Third is online surveys. Companies need feedback from consumers to improve their products and services, and that's where you come in. As an online survey taker, you'll provide valuable insights by participating in surveys. Start by signing up on platforms like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, or Vindale Research. Many survey takers earn $50 to $500 per month, depending on the number of surveys completed. To stand out, focus on providing thoughtful and detailed responses. With consistent effort, this skill can turn into a flexible and rewarding side hustle. Fourth is presentation templates. From corporate meetings to school projects, everyone needs professional-looking slides. If you're creative and love design, this skill is perfect for you. Start by learning tools like PowerPoint or Canva. Many clients pay $20 to $100 per template, depending on the complexity. To stand out, focus on creating clean, modern designs that are easy to customize. You can sell your templates on platforms like Etsy or Creative Market. With consistent effort, this skill can turn into a passive income stream. Finally, let's talk about invitation design. From weddings to corporate events, beautifully designed invitations are always in demand. If you're creative and love design, this skill is perfect for you. Start by learning tools like Adobe Illustrator or Canva. Many clients pay $50 to $200 per design, depending on the complexity. To stand out, focus on creating unique and personalized designs. You can sell your services on platforms like Etsy or by networking with the event planners. With consistent effort, this skill can turn into a lucrative niche, and there you have it. 5 skills you can start learning today to make money online. Whether you choose data visualization, Facebook, Instagram ads, online surveys, presentation templates, or invitation design, each of these skills has the potential to help you earn $500 to $5,000 a month. Remember, success comes from taking action. Start small, stay consistent, and keep learning. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss tomorrow's video, where I'll share even more skills to boost your online income. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.